Federal crimes are different from state crimes to the extent that typically they involve more sophisticated prosecutions. In other words, the prosecutions are for fraud cases, for bank robberies are federal crimes, white collar offenses are federal crimes, and they're predominantly of a more serious nature than a lot of state crimes in terms of at least commercial crimes. Obviously, you have homicide in both state and federal locations. But in terms of federal, the difference is federal prosecutors are typically, I don't want to say more competent, but typically federal prosecutors are more conversant with trial of cases. They're more sophisticated. They're supported by federal agencies who are the investigative bodies involved in federal cases, the FBI, the Drug Enforcement Administration, Health and Human Services. So there's a serious preparation in federal cases by the government, who is the prosecuting authority. And typically the government, as opposed to some states, the government, the United States, the U.S. Attorney's Office in the appropriate jurisdiction, kind of will limit its prosecutions to cases that they believe from the beginning can be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Whereby in state court, a lot of charges are made that, if evaluated, might lead a prosecutor to say, we don't know if we can prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt. Typically in federal court, the prosecutor, the U.S. attorney involved in the case, the assistant U.S. attorney and his office have determined that the case can be proven beyond a reasonable doubt, so that they're tougher cases from the beginning, in addition to being more sophisticated, technical, and intellectually challenging cases to a lawyer.